Someone who lies where you can lie against you. Remember that. We either make ourselves miserable or we make ourselves strong. The amount of work is the same. Give yourself time and you will find who you are. Better to have 1,000 enemies outside the house than to have one single enemy inside it. Mind your own business, and you may live 100 years. If we wait until we're ready, we'll be waiting for the rest of our lives. The race for perfection has no finish line. If you want to be happy, have zero expectations to others. A man sees in the world what he carries in his heart. To rush into explanations is always a sign of weakness. Life has no limitations, except the one you set in your mind. The advice of the old most probably will not mislead you. Winners never quit and quitters never win. Even the weak become strong when they are united, because unity is power. I don't know the key to success, but the key to failure is trying to please everybody. Formal education will make you a living. Self-education will make you a fortune. A creative man is motivated by the desire to achieve, not by the desire to beat others. A man is known by the company he keeps. Don't let yesterday take up too much of today. Create a way, not an excuse. A positive mind finds opportunity in everything. Fear an ignorant man more than a lion. Preparation doesn't assure victory. It assures confidence. A fool judges people by the presents they give him. Don't tell others to do what you cannot do. If you make a habit of buying things you do not need, you will soon be selling things that you need. If you can't get someone out of your mind, it means you're also on that person's mind. Choose a friend with the eyes of an old man. A lawyer looks at you with one eye, but he looks at your pocket with two. The wealth of a house is a wise woman. Observation can be more informative than conversation. Save money, and money will save you. When someone call or message you after a long time, never respond immediately.